Hello, friends and professionals. Let's try to understand what is the basic difference between end user and core user in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. The similar applicability there almost with all non-SAP projects also. Not only for SAP, the terminology will be the same. Okay. So like when you're getting into the project, you should know to which person you are interacting. Sometimes he might be power user also. Let's discuss that one. Who is power user in next session? Let's try to understand this. Who is end user and who is core user? For example, so like Britannia. Everyone know, right? This is biscuit manufacturing company. For example, they have a domains like sales, manufacturing, okay, and material management and production planning and finance and maybe it's a big retail chain, retail, okay. And you go for any other modern modules like Salesforce and all those stuff. They're implementing so many things actually. What is core user? What is core actually? Core means depth, detailing actually. Okay, core level understanding. What is core in technically also? Depth actually. So if core user means someone is coming from sales, he has the depth actually. Okay, he has the depth. What is the sales domain for Britannia? If someone is coming from material management, he has the depth of how Britannia is running. Okay, someone is coming from production planning, he has the depth. Okay, how it work? Finance, he is like some kind of, sometimes they can be like super users also, vice president. Okay, central functioning of the finance. Basically, if they want this software SAP, they are responsible to deliver how currently Britannia core functions will work, because one person is coming as a core user, he can be like your implementation or support partner to guide you. This is how my business works at a business level. Don't think about technical level. Sometimes nowadays, I am from IITs with a lot of background, you know representing these functions. Then they for them nothing to learn SAP actually. Okay, core, apart from their core business, they're learning technical skills also. Some guys after down the line, I have seen some folks that are so faster, better than us to learn business as well as SAP. Okay, I don't want to make you fear, but anyhow, we have to handle with this. It's a teamwork, right? Core users, they will work with you in implementation partner. They'll try to give the business requirements. See, it's your responsibility to gather the requirements, right? So that is the job of the core users. Okay. So generally in implementation, what implementation or a certain object is delivered in SAP from our side as a functional consultant. So what core user will do? We'll try to prepare the end user manuals. This core user will give training to end users. Okay. When it comes to our sales module, for example, I'll just tell you, okay, OTC, order to cash. Okay. They're punching quotations, inquiries, and sales orders. Then I need end user, freshers or a little experience around. Sometimes don't think that. Sometimes they will have more experience also, less than 6+ years. Core users you might have 10 years or 15 years. Sometimes core users also less. It depends on the industry. You cannot say like that. So this is the end user. Okay. So 6+ is there for order to cash. Okay. His role is order processor. Okay. So delivery processor, like that, I have finance for bill generation, another 5 people here, another 3 people, like that, depends on one place you will have. These people called end users. These end users maybe from SAP or non-SAP background. It depends on the industry how they can take in. Okay, so don't underestimate these people also so powerful. Okay, so like now you came to know what is the difference between the end user and the real core users. Okay, okay, I think you got some knowledge about what kind of people you are going to meet if you start working in new project, different projects. Okay, now let's see this. These are the different videos till now I have done for my YouTube channel. If you have time, you go through it. I think this knowledge is useful for you. Okay, so apart from that, if you would like to subscribe my courses, currently I'm holding 3000 plus students, and all these are the courses available at cheaper rate. In Udemy, actually sometimes deals will happen. Sometimes they'll try to increase the price. That is different story. Now it is running offer, then it is 389. Okay, sometimes it is 400, 450, maximum 500, 550. So you can able to get all these courses. This is for SAP SD pricing concepts. And if you are new to the industry, you wanted to learn two scenarios I have given: how to write functional specification, and apart from that, SAP, if you are new to S4 HANA, you're already in ECC, you can try, you can have your footsteps by learning this course, three scenarios. And this is SAP ECC course, and this is the course for stock transfers if you have doubt. And the similar way, I'll have different courses, SAP pricing advanced. Okay, so all these links I'm giving below of this video. Just utilize this opportunity to enhance your knowledge. It's not compulsion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.